Ladies and gentlemen, I went through and sorted a ton of data to find the top 5 credit cards right now offering the most insane sign-up bonuses. Some of these are truly unbelievable rewards, from cards offering perks that can be redeemed for free first-class flights to multiple night stays at luxury hotels. And in this list, we've got everything that appears from very basic introductory credit cards with pretty low annual fees to really expensive top-tier credit cards with some of the highest annual fees out there that you can apply for. So taking that into consideration, I do think that there is a credit card on this list with a great sign-up bonus for everybody, no matter where you're coming from. And if you're not yet ready for some of the luxury credit cards, it may be something to work towards on your credit card journey. So without hesitating anymore, let's get right into the list. Okay, now let's lay out the rules of these rankings for clarity's sake. Credit card points come in all different shapes and sizes, so we're going to boil it down to one thing: approximate cash value when being used for the most beneficial reward categories that people will use their cards for. So every card that I researched, we're going to convert to a dollar amount that you can earn in your sign-up bonus with these cards. I want to give a shout out to thepointscalculator.com, which uses a dollar conversion system to convert all different types of points and rewards into a simple dollar amount, what they're worth per point. I'll do the math on the screen so you don't have to. All you have to do is sit back and enjoy this insane sign-up bonus list. So coming in at number 5, with the lowest sign-up bonus on our list, is the Capital One Venture Rewards credit card, offering 75,000 bonus miles once you spend $4,000 in your first 3 months. The Capital One Rewards conversion rate is about 1 cent per point, meaning that with your 75,000 bonus miles, you instantly earn about $750 worth of value on this card. Now there's an annual fee that comes with the card that's $95 a year. Now what you have to know about this card is Capital One has numerous travel partners, and you can maximize these bonus miles at even more than 1 cent per point if you combine them with the right partners. You can get up to 2 cents per point if you're really maxing out this card. My 2 favorite travel perks with this card is the 2 complimentary lounge passes that you get through Capital One every single year you have the card, as well as a price flight guarantee that if your price drops after the algorithm suggests that you should book it, you'll get travel credit back up to $50 on your flight. Now the Capital One Venture Rewards credit card doesn't have too many additional perks that they throw at you, which is okay because it's a low annual fee. So in addition to the $750 in value you'll get from the sign-up bonus, you'll also get an $100 TSA pre-check credit that goes towards the purchase of that benefit. Totaling those two together, you come up with a total first year value on this card of $850. Coming in at number 4 on our list is the Hilton Honors Aspire American Express card. The Hilton Honors Aspire has a bonus offer of 150,000 points when you spend $4,000 in the first 3 months. Now the Hilton Honors Aspire points are not worth as much as other points on this list. They convert when you're booking nights with Hilton to about a half cent per point, meaning this estimated sign-up cash value comes in at $750. This card has a very high annual fee of $450, but as I'll explain in a second, it comes with some really awesome perks to make up for that. Because it is a travel card, you get some great travel benefits. The Aspire card comes with a free 5th night stay when you book 4 consecutive nights with Hilton. You also get complimentary lounge passes to make your flights a lot easier. In your first year that you have the card, you'll also earn a $250 Hilton stay credit, a $250 airline fee credit, a $100 Hilton resort credit that can be used on site at the properties, and a 1 free night reward every single year valued at $250. When you add all that up, and the $750 sign-up bonus, you get an incredible $1,600 in first year total value. Coming in at number 3 is the Chase Sapphire Reserve card with a bonus offer of 60,000 points when you spend $4,000 in your first 3 months. The Chase Sapphire points are worth a lot more than the Hilton Aspire card that we just talked about, coming in with an approximate cash value of 1.5 cents per point. This gives the Chase Sapphire Reserve credit card an approximate sign-up bonus value of $900. The card does come with a hefty annual fee though, as you'll be charged $550 for every year you have the card. Now the Chase Sapphire Reserve is a solid travel card, as you'll get airport lounge passes as one of the benefits associated with holding this card. You'll also get a number of valuable benefits that can be really translated into free cash for you in the first year, within $100 TSA pre-check credit, as well as a $300 travel expense credit when you own the card. All of this, including a $900 sign-up bonus, total $1,300 total first year value just for owning this card. We are getting close to the top. Coming in at number 2 is another hotel specific credit card, but with even bigger bonuses in the first year. And that is the IGH Rewards Premier credit card. The IGH Rewards Premier card has a bonus offer of an astounding 140,000 points when you spend $3,000 in your first 3 months. The conversion is slightly lower though, at an estimated 0.7 of a cent per point on the card. This equates your cash value in your sign-up bonus to about $980. All that being said, this card has one of the lowest annual fees for one of the highest sign-up bonuses on this list, with an annual fee coming in at $99. IGH has an even better deal than the Hilton Rewards program, with a 4th night free after staying 3 consecutive nights. This means you have to stay 1 less night at one of their many properties before cashing in that free night. The free nights and travel benefits don't stop there though, as we look at the total first year value. Inside this card, you'll get a free $250 value night at an IGH property, a $100 credit towards your TSA pre-check membership, and a $50 travel back credit if you use United Airlines and are a member through their reward program. All of these added up, in addition to the $980 sign-up bonus value, give you an $1,380 first year credit card value with this card. Now, if this video is giving you a lot of value, please like it so other people looking for the same credit card topics can see, or consider subscribing to the channel as we analyze and break down more in the credit card game. Coming in at number 1, the heaviest hitter in our sign-up bonus rankings is the Platinum card from American Express, with an introductory bonus offer of 100,000 membership rewards points. The Platinum card from American Express, their points are valued at approximately 1 cent per point, meaning a crisp $1,000 estimated cash value of the sign-up bonus upon acceptance into this card. It is going to cost you, however, with an annual fee of $695. Now, the benefits don't stop with the sign-up bonus, however. This travel credit card has the most partners, with 20 different partners across the nation. You can convert your Platinum card AMEX points into hotels, flight credits, upgrades, and rental cars. American Express also packs in the value in terms of free credits that you get towards different food, entertainment, and hotel items. In the total first year value makeup for this card, in addition to the $1,000 cash value on the sign-up bonus, you also get a $200 credit for Uber Cash, a $240 credit for digital entertainment use, a $200 credit for hotels, a $200 airline fee credit, and a value of up to $189 for TSA pre-check or clear use to smooth out your travel experience. All of that put together is a total estimated cash value of $2,029 in your first year on the American Express Platinum card. That is the highest first year sign-up bonus and the highest total value on this list. Now folks, if you liked this list and want to see more rankings of credit cards, just let me know what you want compared head to head or rank next down below in the comments. As always, have a great day, and we'll see you in the next one.